Hello everyone and welcome back to Higher Mathematics. Today we have an interesting limit. What is the limit as x approaches to 0 of the function 2 to the x minus 2 to the minus x all over natural log of 1 plus 2x. So let's use direct substitution in the first step to solve this. We will have 2 to the 0, 1, 2 to the minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. And in our denominator we will have natural log 0, it will be 0. So we have 0 over 0. So, what we're going to do in our case? It's a real good moment to remember or to learn about the L'Hopital's rule, because if we have, for example, function limit x approaches to a of the function f(x) over g of x equal to 0 over 0, so if we have undefined answer 0 over 0, or we have the same limit x approaches to a of the function the same function f of x over g of x equal to infinity over infinity. So if we have two cases, 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, then we can write this as the limit as x approaches to a of the function f prime of x over g prime of x. So we find our derivative. This is L'Hopital's rule, so I write this rule right here. So this is a really good moment to learn or to remember about this rule. L'Hopital's rule. Really good rule to know. So, and this is our case. We have 0 over 0, so we need to find our derivative from our numerator and from our denominator. So let's write it. Let's write this right here. We will have limit x approaches to 0 of the function. This function 2 to the x minus 2 to the minus x. Find derivative f prime, and of course the same in our denominator, natural log 1 plus 2x prime. So find our derivative in our numerator and in our denominator. So right here we have difference. So right now we can find derivative of 2 to the x minus 2 to the minus x. We all know that this derivative will be equal to that limit x approaches to 0. Right here we have our derivative 2 to the x natural log 2. This is the table case, and minus, of course I write plus because right here we have with this minus we have plus, so we have plus 2 to the minus x times natural log 2. These two jump right here. So, and what we will have in our denominator, we will have, of course, the classic case, because we have natural log, the prime of natural log will be 1 over x, but in our case we have 1 over not x, but 1 plus 2x. And we need to multiply by the derivative of this function, because right now we find derivative of the function natural log, but the next step is to multiply by the derivative of this 1 plus 2x, which will be equal to 2 times 2. Okay, let's simplify this a little bit. Let's use a direct substitution. So we will have 2 to the 0, 1, 2 to the minus x, 2 to the 0, of course 1, and right here we have only 2. Yeah, because we have 2 over 1, it will be 2. So let's use this direct substitution. So right here we will have only natural log 2. Right here we have only natural log 2. And dividing by 2, because right here we have 0. As a result, we'll have 2 natural logs of 2 over 2, it will be natural log 2. And this is our answer. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, maybe you have faster method how to solve this, write your question in comment, write suggestion in comment. It will be really interesting to read it. Subscribe for more videos, I really appreciate it. If you like higher mathematics, I will do more and more and more, and put thumbs up if you support me, if you appreciate this video, and thank you so much. See you in the next videos.